Paris Cameras channel. In this video we will be talking about a product that is a audio product, and from that product I have talked many before also from the brand, and that is none other than Drum Dog. So I'll be talking about a product of Drum Dog that is an anti-acne night cream, and I've been using this. And previously I did an anti-acne cream from Vati Herbal, which was very reasonable and budget friendly. That works really nice, and you people have used a lot on that video too. And this is not so budget friendly. This costs rupees 249. It is about 250 for 50 grams, and Drum Dog products are not so budget friendly, but if you purchase them online, they are not available offline. If you purchase them online, then you might get a good discount on them. So let's get started to this video and do a little review of this product. So first of all, talking about the packaging, that it comes in a cardboard like this. It also comes in a CD packaging. I opened it. I purchased it many months back, I think 2 months back, and this is the packaging, quite nice. And it is an anti-acne cream with salicylic acid. If you have like acne issues and it is not going with anything, if you use, like I do have acne prone skin type, I can understand that once acne happens that it doesn't go so well, then you can definitely give this a try, because this has helped me, might help you too on this journey of like reducing the acne. So this has really helped me a lot. First of all, that this product is an like paraben free, sulfate free. It is a cruelty free brand and is not tested on animals. Even though you have sensitive skin type, you can go for this. But yeah, if you have salicylic acid, you have any like sensitive issues on your skin that you are not suited with salicylic acid, then don't go with this. Previously on the same packaging, I also did the video on hydrolyzed collagen Drum Dog night cream. That really was great. And this is also the same packaging of the silver color cap, blue color container, so the inside the acid is not affected with UV rays. If you keep it near the window or somewhere where the UV rays directly comes from sun, then it also has a separate packaging, what stated packaging it has. And see, I have used a lot of the product, and the smell is too good. Like collagen, hydrolyzed collagen smell is just yuck. I don't like the smell, but it works really nice. So that was anti-aging, and this is the anti-acne. I do have oily skin type, extremely oily T-zone, and also acne prone skin type. So this has worked very well with this. I am getting in love with Drum Dog products because they are really awesome. The money you pay for them, like 250 rupees for 50 grams, just you feel the value for money of any product when it really works. It worked for me, that hydrolyzed collagen. It worked for many of my friends and family members, and I felt very glad that their money is not wasted. It's such a product which I recommend it, and I hope that this product, if you are having acne issues and you are trying out a lot of things for acne and it is not going away, then you can definitely put your hands on this, try out this once, so that you can see whether it works for you or not. I think it will work for you also. If it doesn't, then like everyone's skin is unique type. Even though I have oily skin type, you have oily skin type, I have acne prone skin type, you have acne prone skin type. Yeah, even though the skin type is very different from one another, even we have the same type of skin, like I have acne prone, you have acne prone, but the skin type and texture is not same. For everyone is a different unique style. I'll talk first with the packaging, and then I will go on telling you that how it helped me. First, talking about the product consistency, it is too good. The product consistency is good. It is not going to fall, you can see. So it is white in texture, and you need very less of this. It is very moisturizing, but it controls the sebum production on your skin. The smell is just amazing. It gives you a very soothing effect, and obviously this is a night cream, so you have to apply at night. And anything with aroma night cream, I really love that, gives you a better skin. but after few seconds, yeah, it mattifies. You can see it mattifies, and that's the nice magic of salicylic acid that works great in not only removing your acne which you already have, but also gets into the pores and removes all the dirt. And also salicylic acid kills all the germs which cause the acne. So not only it will cure the acne you have, also it will cure, or it will help you in preventing the acne which you can get from the germs you have inside your body. So let's get started first with the packaging. Then I'll talk how it helped me and how I used it. So this is the packaging of the Derm Doc Anti-Acne Night Cream with Salicylic Acid, and this is the net weight 50 grams. Um, this is the packaging. As you can see, it comes with this recyclable paper container, and inside we have this blue color container, that is a total plastic container. It is blue in color just to protect from the UV rays, and it also has the silver typical Derm Doc cap. Now if we go on this packaging, then there is written that Derm Doc Anti-Acne Night Cream with Salicylic Acid is a paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free. The net volume of this is 50 grams, and the pricing of this is, the MRP of this is 249 rupees for 50 grams. Now if you see here, all the claims and what they write about the product is that a night cream specifically formulated with salicylic acid to help treat acne. Salicylic acid helps fight acne breakouts by unclogging the pores, prevents pimples, and regulates sebum production, giving you a visible, clear, and glowing skin. Derm Doc Anti-Acne Night Cream is free from parabens, sulfates, and mineral oils. As it claims, it is suitable for normal to oily skin type, which also I felt after using this. Even normal skin type can also give it a try if they have acne prone areas, but for dry skin, I don't think it will work much. The benefits or the claims they say are fight acne breakouts, helps unclog pores, regulates sebum production, helps attain a visible clear skin. First of all, it obviously fights in like acne breakouts and unclogging your pores, regulates the sebum production, but helps in attaining a visible clear skin, like removing the dark spots of acne. I don't think it does such much on that area. Now the direction, as the claims, is that apply the cream evenly on clean face, gently massage it in an upward and outward direction until fully absorbed. Recommended to use daily at night before bedtime, so I do use it at night because it is a night cream, so it is not applicable to be used in the day and mainly in sun. So better you can apply it in the afternoon, like not afternoon, like you can apply it around the evening when it is already dark, and you can use it at night, obviously, as it is a night cream. The cautions here is written: do not use this product on areas of scratches, eczemas, or dermatitis. So if you have this kind of skin diseases, then you must see a skin doctor and do not use not only this product, any kind of cosmetic products. Avoid contact with eyes, discontinue use if signs of irritation or rashes appear. Keep out of reach of children. Stored at room temperature for external use only. The ingredients, the base ingredients, aqua, which obviously make it a very comfortable and a very compatible product for oily skin type and extremely oily and combination skin types. It also contains xanthan gum, salicylic acid as the main ingredient, vitamin C, which will lighten and brighten your skin, coconut butter, glycerine, aloe vera leaf juice, rosemary oil, tea tree oil, aquazel cetyl alcohol, phenoxyethanol, and also fragrance. So you can clearly see that it doesn't contain any parabens or required products like ingredients. Even no parabens, no sulfates, no harmful chemicals is there, so it is totally an organic product. Their customer care, manufacturing details, and marketing details are given over here. The batch number, the used before is like manufactured freshly in 1019 and used before is 922, and the MRP of this is 249 rupees for 50 grams, which I was telling before. And it also has this like you can see C7A603 as the right over here, so it looks really nice and something curated with this chemistry style. Derm Doc brings for you authentic skincare solutions that are designed to nourish, hydrate, and enrich your skin's overall health. With a range of products that cater to different skin types and different skin concerns, we focus on healing and balancing your skin from within. We bring for you clinically proven healthy chemical ingredients with our skincare products. Our products are paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free. Revive and safeguard your skin with Domdom. Now also you can see here nothing else are written over here. This is just a container of paper which can be recycled. Obviously they are not using much of the plastic things, but their box is of plastic, so that happens. Now if we go over here, there the same things are written all over, the marketing details and the manufacturing details and the claims. So as I already showed you, it all Dermatop creams comes with this kind of cap, which also like doesn't split off the cream onto the cap, so that is a good thing if you're traveling with the cream. And I have used much of it, and I don't review any product without using them myself. So this was a requested video of Dermdoc anti acne cream, and as I already told, I don't review any product without using and seeing any visible result on my skin, so I don't just go on claims. So I have used it, so it took a little much time, and thank you so much for commenting such beautiful products which I really liked. And now if I apply this, it looks a little bit of oily and sticky kinda, but after a few seconds it completely dries and get absorbs in the skin. You don't have to massage up much, but I do massage a little while I apply at the night after cleaning my face with any good face wash and makeup remover. I tone my skin with either the Alp Goodness toner or Good Vibe toners, which I recently, if you are looking for any anti-acne toner, there are a lot of toners which I have talked about in the channel, but the most recent which I am using right now and recently I have reviewed it are the one is the green tea toner from the Alp Goodness and the neem toner from Good Vibes. So both of them are really good for anti-acne, so you can use them with this. And then the smell is really amazing, which will give that aromatherapy and also de-stress you. So those were all whatever written on the packaging of this Dermdoc product. So first of all, I used it at night as it recommends it is a night cream, so I used it at night. I used it once before going to bed. I wash my face with a gentle face wash. If I have makeup on my skin, I clean it very nicely. I don't keep a single makeup on the skin. Then I applied this cream all over the face, leaving this under eye section because I applied my under eye cream. And recently I am using the under eye cream from the brand of Body House, which I reviewed on the channel. You can check it out in the description box below. So I apply this on the eye section, except that all over the face I apply this cream. I don't apply this in neck because of salicylic acid. I don't have that acne issues or open pore issues in my neck, so I apply this on my face and I keep it the whole night. And when I wake up, I wash it with a very gentle face wash, even though everything is soaked and clear. But in morning I always prefer washing my face with a nice face wash. You try doing this, that gives you a more clears your skin. Even though if you have any dirt on the pillow covers you use to sleep and that might get stuck on the skin, so you can wash it off and then apply. So that's good to apply a good face wash, gentle face wash in the morning. So I applied this in this way, and it's been about 20 days now that I am using this, and I feel that it not only cleared acne. I do have very less acne now, but it not only cleared the acne, it also clears the pores. It sinkers the pores. Salicylic acid, it clears the pores. Also makes my skin a mattifying one. When I wake up in the morning, it doesn't feel sweaty, and it feels very relaxed. Another most important thing which I feel I want to talk about this product is that this is very thick in consistency. So the consistency, you have to apply very less of the cream. So if you can afford this is not so budget friendly. I can understand for every student to get this product, but if you can use this, first of all, do not use this salicylic acid if you are below 18 years. Above 18 years can definitely go with this, but not below 18 years. Now when you are applying this, and you let very little of this to apply, massage it very nicely on your face for about 1 minute, and don't have to massage so much because it soaks everything up on the skin. And then you go and sleep, and next morning you wake up and wash your face. After 2-3 days you will see the visible results. It also brightens up your face, it also sinkens the pores, clears the pores, and also balances sebum production on your skin, which makes it very less of acne. uh, Not only that this product worked great for my skin, but also, as I told that, Salicylic, my sister, is having that anti-acne cream from Badi Herbals, that is really good. That if you are someone below 18 like my sis, then you can go with that Badi Herbal anti-acne cream. That can be used by below 18 years people. Above 13 years you can go with Badi Herbal anti-acne cream. Now this cream really helped me in getting over with the acne and also balancing sebum. I don't get so much acne like I used to get previously, but yeah, I feel that this clears the, somewhere or the other, I feel that it clears the whiter and blacker sister. I don't know why I feel that, but I feel my skin to be more clear side after using this cream as a night cream, and waking up I feel my skin so much clear. And if you had disturbed with the outer noise, it is raining very heavily. I love rains, so it's raining very heavily, so I don't know whether the night is catching sun or not, but yeah, it is raining very heavily. So yeah, that was all the review of this product. Do not use this in the daytime. I really like this product. This is very nice, and I think if you have acne issues you can go with this, but yeah, like below 18 you should not go with this. So yeah, that was all for this video. Hope you have felt it a little helpful. If you did, then please hit on the like button. That encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable content for you. Please share it with all your friends. To comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any other video content you want us to make. Please subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon beside that so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So yeah, that is all for this video. A giveaway is running on the channel, so if you wanted to participate, you can participate by just subscribing to our channel and single video, which is linked in the description box. Yeah, that is all for this video. Hope you felt it little helpful. If you did, then please, so that we will be motivated to make new videos. Yeah, so I hope that your days at home are going very good and you are healthy. So stay fit, stay happy, stay healthy. And for today, bye.